Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Lucky OneBlock on Minecraft. It will work perfectly. It will not be just you respawn into the basically and fall. And let me show you how you can do this and set up for yourself. First of all, open a browser, then go to Lucky OneBlock by CourseForge, and then go to Files and then all game versions and select latest version here and download to your computer like this. Then what you need to do next is to go back one time, go to description here, and then scroll down until you see this thing here. And as you can see here, for versions 1.21, 1.21.11, you need to go to CourseForge here and download my Lucky Block, right? Then what you need to do here is to go to Files, all game versions, and select Fabric version and download it, right? Like this. Then what you need to do here is to go to fabricmc.net and download Fabric for Windows, and then download Universal Jar as well. Next step, what you need to do here, you need to completely close Minecraft, and as you can see here, I need to re-download it because files, as you can see here, is unverified. Sometimes it happens to me, but don't worry, it's super safe. Right, then what you need to do here is to completely close Minecraft and go to Fabric Installer and download and just, as you can see here, have latest version here and install. If you're getting error and your Minecraft is closed, that's why you don't have Java. So go to Java, download and download latest version of Java, and then you will have no issues here. Okay. Then what you need to do here is to go to Lucky OneBlock, extract it, and then you can delete this file here. Next thing what we need to do here is to go to a Minecraft launcher, then go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations here, and then you should have Fabric Loader 1.21.11. Press on the installation folder here. And then what we need to do here is to go to saves. And then here, I delete mine. And then press on Lucky OneBlock. And then new folder will open up. And then just drag and drop this folder here. Not this folder, but just click on it, and then new folder will open up, and then you can drag this folder here. Then what you need to do here is to go one time back and go to mods, and then you need to just drop these mods here as well, right? Like this. Installer, you can delete it. And then what you need to do next, and of course, if you don't have mods folder or saves folder, you just need to press plus and create one, right? And then what you need to do here, make sure to load Minecraft with Fabric Loader 1.21.11, play. And then, as you can see here, the game should work and you will not fall. So guys, I'm in the game, go to single player, then as you can see here should be probably this one, yeah, this one, and you will not fall. As you can see here, it's loading, and yeah, you can play this game. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.